chaos of life, there is a certain serenity that can be found. As the rain begins to fall, imagine each raindrop as a gentle touch from the heavens, calming the restless earth, quenching its thirst, and nourishing the soul. The soft glow of distant lightning gracing the night sky is a celestial dance. Each flash brings a sense of tranquility, a reminder of the vastness of the universe. As the storm rages outside, imagine yourself indoors, wrapped in a warm blanket, with the comforting crackle of a fireplace, sipping your favorite drink. In this moment, you're safe and at peace. In the heart of a thunderstorm, amid the lightning and rain, there lies a quiet peace that can only be discovered when you listen with your heart. So, the next time you find yourself under the spell of a thunderstorm, embrace the soothing beauty it offers. Let it wash away your worries and fill your heart with a sense of calm.